Now let's see how to use this for calling constructor from the same class. Like we are going to call constructor of the same class using this inside another constructor. So this can be used to call another constructor in the same class. Point here to remember is that it should be the first statement inside a constructor. I'm using the same example like student class. So here I'm going to create a default constructor which is going to call the parameterized constructor. Actually, let's take an example of parameterized constructor. So here I am having two parameterized constructor. So this is my one parameter constructor. As you can see, in line number 23, I've created a student object in which Ranko is given. And the Ranko will go to my first constructor, single parameter constructor, here name. And then the name is passed to second constructor, and 24 will go to age. So this keyword is going to call this constructor. So this keyword is normally used for accessing same class's constructor if you want to pass values to an instance variable. And get will return the name. So let's return the age. So return age. And let's print the age. And get the age method. Save the code and let's print the output, and you can see how we have used this keyword for calling another constructor inside same class.